everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you all so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, with the first 20 people to comment hashtag #ChillNotificationSquad once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be doing an Amazon fidget toy haul, cheap versus expensive Halloween edition. This should be super exciting to see what is inside all of these fidget kits. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. So as you can already see, the cheap one kind of comes in a less sort of fancy packaging. It comes in this like paper bag, whereas the expensive one comes with this like plastic bubble wrap. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with a cheap kit. This one right here was $5, so let's open it. I'm super excited to see what's in it. Okay, the moment of truth, let's dump it out. Oh, so inside the bag, there's actually another bag. Well, you guys, let's just like take a look to see what's inside. These are all supposed to be Halloween edition. All of these fidgets for $5 is a really good deal. Okay, let's open this up. You guys, that is so many fidgets in there. Whoa. So, let's see what's actually in here. Oh my gosh, look at it. There's a tiny crab. So I just sort of laid out what actually was inside the kit. And here is all of the stuff. There's like 2 poppets I can see. Then there's 2 monkey noodles, a marble mesh. I don't know what this is. It's some kind of like little puzzle. It's like a maze. You have to like get it through. You have to get this little like marble ball or something to the finish line. I don't really know how this works. The snapper. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna use to shoot a hoop. But like, oh, there's like a tiny ball in there. We'll figure that out later. And then a pop tube. Well, let's start off with this pop tube. It's a yellow color, which isn't exactly Halloween themed, but let's see how well it works. Ooh, that was so loud. These things also connect. Bonus points for that. It's a pretty nice pop tube. It's like a big size and it kind of matches my background right here. I like this a lot, but it's like extra loud, so it's even better for an alarm clock. Yeah, this is really big. Nice pop tube. Now we have this red marble mesh, also not exactly Halloween color themed, maybe like vampire blood though, so that would work. It's pretty nice. It's just like a standard marble mesh, 10 out of 10. Now we have these 2 monkey noodles. Not exactly Halloween themed, but the purple one is. So let's stress them out. They're very neonish, and I actually really like these. They're super good. They stretch out really well. You guys, I love that. I love these so much. This neon is so neon-y, like wow. I really like this a lot, 10 out of 10. The purple monkey noodle matches to the poppet. Now let's go ahead and open up the snapper. This snapper kind of looks like those sand arts. It has blue and other colors, okay. Nice snapper. This one isn't exactly Halloween themed. Maybe it was just difficult for them to find Halloween themed fidgets, but this is a really nice snapper, also 10 out of 10. Okay, you guys, look at this adorable crab mini poppet, and it's like a keychain, so you can put it on your keychain thing or a backpack. You guys, look at these colors. They're so pastel. This purple, pink, and green. Okay, let's pop it. Let's see how it works. Not bad, but it's kind of hard to pop with this like rim like on the outside. Okay, that was the bad side. Now let's see the good side. Not the best poppet I felt, but this is still so pretty, so I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10. It's really, really pretty though. Okay, then let's actually figure out what this is. It's some kind of like basketball thing. I can tell because there's basketballs drawn on it. I've never seen a fidget like this before. If I'm being honest, it doesn't even look like a fidget. I placed the ball like right here where it's supposed to shoot. I'm supposed to click this button. Oh, I just made it in. Did you guys see that? You guys, I'm a pro. I did again.
Y'all, I deserve a medal for this. Look at my skills.
It's actually really nice. And it's kind of like a fidget. I've never seen something like this. It's very unique. So I'm going to rate it a 9 out of 10 just because I don't think it's exactly a fidget. And here we have this Halloween bat poppet. This is like the most Halloween thing in here. Other than that, none of this is Halloween themed. This is the only thing that's Halloween themed. It's a bat and it's a poppet. So let's open it. I gotta say, for $5, this is a really good deal though, because in most places, this poppet alone would cost like over $5. And you get all of this. I love this like shape. The bat is really nice. And it has this blue and purple color, and it has some white in it too. So let's go ahead and pop it. Whoa, the bad side is good. Okay, now we're gonna flip it to the other side. Let's see how good this side is. So both sides are actually very similar. So surprisingly, both sides are actually pretty good. The bad side is basically the same as the good side. So I'm gonna rate this popit a 9.5 out of 10. Look at these little cute ears at the top. I think I just love this design of the popit. So that was it for this $5 fidget kit. Let me know your thoughts, but this is such a great deal. All of this for $5, even though it wasn't 100% Halloween themed. Like, there's so many fidgets here. I'm rating this fidget kit overall a 10 out of 10. So now right over here we have the expensive fidget kit, the moment you guys have been waiting for. This one was about $20, so let's go ahead and open this. I completely do not know what's in it. I like forgot. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's so much stuff. What the heck? It's stuck. Oh, wow. Look at this big bag. Wow. Okay, let's open this. What is this? It's not looking too... Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1. There's so much stuff. It's stuck. Wow. This is what you get for $20. There's so much stuff. Okay, guys, I don't even know where to begin. We're gonna start off with these things because there's so many of them. What even is this, though? They're like these slappy thingies. You slap the face, and there's so many of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I don't really want 6 of them. There's so many. They're like clapping, or like, look, they're gonna have a fight. I'm not a huge fan of these. These don't even seem like fidgets. I'm gonna rate these a 5 out of 10. I don't even know what these are. I didn't really expect to even see these. So not the best start already. I see a bunch of these monkey noodles right here, so let's start with them. 1, 2, 3, 4 monkey noodles. Whoa, you guys, look at these colors. They're so pretty. This light pink, light blue, nice cotton candy theme right there, hot pink, and this purple. You guys, let's take a moment to look at these faces. This is a Halloween fidget right here. It looks like kind of like a scary dog or something. This one is a bat. This pink one is a bat. This one is a pumpkin. This like rose pink pumpkin. And they're all textured. You guys, they have it on both sides. That's actually really surprising. They have the face on both sides. Let's stretch it out. Very nice monkey noodle. I love that it's textured. I really like these monkey noodles, you guys. They're so pretty. Look at that quadruple duo thing going on right here. I love this so much. You know what? This makes up for all of these useless like thingies right here. So I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10. I love these a lot. These monkey noodles are so pretty and fun to play with. Now let's see what the heck this is. This actually looks scary. It says accessories great for parties. Doesn't look like a fidget, but we'll find out right now. Oh, these are supposed to go on your fingers, you guys. It's supposed to like be creepy. But how is this a fidget? It's called a fidget kit. Whoa, you guys, look how long my fingers are. I'm like, I don't even know what I am now. Okay. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do with these. They're actually very uncomfortable. They're like super like hot in it. So my fingers are already sweating. I really do not like these. I'm gonna rate this like a 2 out of 10. This is not a fidget, and already my hands are like sweaty because of this. This is very disappointing, you guys. Then there's this. It's like a mask or something. You guys, I ordered a fidget kit, not some kind of Halloween accessory kit. Okay, now let's see what this is. You guys, they look like mochis. They look like Halloween mochis. 1, 2, 3, 4 Halloween mochis. Okay, you guys, let's open these up. Let's start off with this pretty purple color. Wow, look at that. It's so pretty. What even is this, though? Okay, definitely a fidget. It does look Halloween themed. Oh, it's a bat. I thought it was a spider. If you flip it this way, it looks like a bat. But then if you look at it this way, it looks like a spider. So this mochi is not bad. It kind of stinks. That's probably because it's new. I'm going to rate this an 8 out of 10 just because I don't even know what this actually is. But at least there's actual fidget here. Then there's this. Looks like a skeleton. Like a skull. Not a skeleton, a skull. It's also like this neon green color. I love that it's Halloween themed. Ooh, I love this one so much. It's like eyes stretch out. I love this one. I'm gonna rate it a 9.5 out of 10. Whoa, you guys, look at this black bat right here. It's kind of nice how everything is individually wrapped. There's actually so many more emojis, I completely missed them. Whoa, there's actually a lot. There's like an entire emoji island right here. This bat looks scary. Look at that, and it has little vampire teeth. I like this bat, it's super nice. The other ones are opaque, but this one is like a solid color. I'm gonna rate this one 10 out of 10. I like this a lot. So far we opened 3 emojis. Then there's actually 2 of these skeletons. This one is super nice as well. I like this one. I'm gonna rate it 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna open the other skeleton because we already opened one. Now let's open this. It looks like an Orbeez stress ball. Look how scary that looks. Oh my gosh. Wow, you guys. I'm actually like even scared to touch these. Look at these long legs. They're so textured. Like, look at that. This is actually like scary. And look at these red eyes. It's like blood red. And then these legs, you can even stretch them. They're already fidgets. And this is supposed to be an Orbeez stress ball. Let's just test it. Whoa. It's really nice. It has rainbow Orbeez in it. And it goes like through those holes. I love this. You guys, this is really, really unique. I've never seen anything like this. Very Halloween themed. And I don't know. I'm going to rate this one a 10 out of 10. I was like so, like it's scary. This almost looks real. And it's even like a little bit, has a texture of maybe even a spider. You guys, this is definitely the scariest fidget I've seen today. Okay, and now let's open up these thingies. I don't even know what they are. Let's read what it says. Trick or treat, happy Halloween. That doesn't really give us a lot of information, but we'll test them out. Okay, we'll start off with this jack-o'-lantern pumpkin thing. I'm pretty sure you go like this, and you press it downwards. And what is supposed to happen? Oh, I think it eventually, so you press them down and they start jumping up. Ah, what the heck? That actually scared me. These are like little jumping kangaroos. This is actually kind of creepy. Like it just like jumps at any moment. I'm just gonna like walk away because I don't want it to explode in my face. These are really nice. I've never seen something like this before. It's right here with the pumpkin. It looks like Frankenstein, a mummy, and a bat. These are really unique, and I'm gonna rate them a 10 out of 10. Although they do keep scaring me when they jump up. I gotta say though, this fidget kit has a lot of unique fidgets. Now we have this package. Let's open this up. Oh, these look so gross. Look at the spider. You can't tell me, if I put the spider on your bed, you will be scared. Like, you can't tell me that you wouldn't be scared of the spider. That is scary. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna prank my sister with this. You guys, watch. I'll prank her. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go right now and prank my sister with the spider. Like I said earlier, okay? Ready? Let's go. Hopefully she falls for it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, Sarah, what is that?
What? It's a literal, it's just a big spider. It looks pretty real, but. Oh my god, it's on you.
Stop. Why didn't you fall for it?
It's supposed to be a prank. I thought you were just like doing this for fun.
Ah, this was fail. Okay, then there's this bat. It has a really weird texture. This is very like gross. I don't like this at all. And these aren't fidgets. This cockroach. Ew, I don't even want. You guys, this is like scaring me. I'm like pranking myself with this package. These rats, okay, at least they don't look real. I don't know. I'm gonna rate this like package thingy with these spiders, whatever. I'm gonna rate this like a 0 out of 10. I'm scared of it. Okay, then we have these slinkies. I can't, you guys, this thing is stuck. I can't open it. Oh, there we go. Right here, there's a purple slinky. It's very nice. I like this a lot. Halloween themed. That's what I like about this fidget kit. There's a lot of Halloween themed fidgets. There's another one right here. It's like, you have to like crack the plastic because it kind of stuck together. Look at it. I can't stretch it out. So there's 2 purple ones. 1 green one. It's sort of like neon greenish. And you guys, all of these just are matching. Look at this. They're matching. And then there's this 1 black one. It looks like a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin thing. These slinkies are nice. I'll rate them a 10 out of 10. Now right here we have this 1 poppet. That other fidget kit had 2 poppets. Well, this one for $20 only has 1 poppet. Okay, so right here we have this pumpkin poppet right here. It's kind of small. Let's compare it to this one. Yeah, the pumpkin is smaller than the bat. And this one only has one color. So let's go ahead and pop it. It looks just like a real pumpkin though. Whoa. This is the bad side and it's actually really, really good. Now let's go for the good side. Whoa, you guys. This is actually one of the best poppets I've felt. This poppet may be a little bit plain, but I'm going to rate this one a 10 out of 10. The pops are on point. You guys, I missed one. Whoa, I can't believe I missed like the prettiest mochi. Look at this. It's such a unique mochi. I've never seen anything like this before. So it looks like a witch pumpkin. Okay, let's see this. Whoa, it's so unique. I've never seen anything like this at all. I really like this mochi. I'm going to rate it 10 out of 10. Like, this is really unique. So I think those are all the fidgets. Oh yeah, I didn't open this mask thing, but yeah, it looks really scary, so I don't even need this. You guys, I missed these skeletons. These aren't fidgets though. What? I'm so confused. Like, they just took a bunch of things, put them in here, and just called them fidgets. This is just a skeleton. These are like just a bunch of decorations. This is definitely not a fidget. I don't know. You're supposed to like bend it. And then there's a black one too. Let's see. Not a fidget. 0 out of 10. I will say one thing though. This fidget kit did a great job of scaring me. So if you want to scare someone, get this fidget kit and let them open it on Halloween night. They will definitely be scared. So overall, this was like all of the stuff the fidget kit came with. Half the things weren't even fidgets, but it was still like a really cool experience to see all of these things. The biggest thing that I don't like is this. Like, what is this? There's 6 of these thingies. I'm never even going to use this, and these aren't fidgets, so this was very disappointing. But overall, my favorite fidgets from this specific kit were the monkey noodles, this spider, and the poppet, and this mochi. But yeah, comment down below your thoughts on this fidget kit and if you would get it. I would rate this fidget kit like an 8 out of 10 because there weren't actually a lot of great fidgets. A lot of the stuff like this is completely irrelevant. So just to compare, here's all the stuff for $5 right here. This is the type of $5, and this is what you get for $20. Comment down below which fidget kit you would rather get. I don't know, I feel like I'd get the $5 fidget kit because you get all of this stuff. Like, you get 2 poppets. Here there's only 1 poppet. I'd probably get the $5 fidget kit, but comment down below your thoughts because I would love to hear what you guys have to say. And these fidget kits will be linked down below in my description box if you want to check them out. Well, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and it'd be super awesome if you'd subscribe. Make sure to check out my other Amazon fidget toy review. That will be linked down below. And I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.